These are the grilled atomic pineapple wings. These wings are marinated overnight, so I'm gonna take them out and I'm just gonna pat them all dry and get any of that excess marinade off of the wings. I'm gonna hit these wings with the TD's Brew and Barbecue Spicy Carne Sutra, and I'm just gonna flip them around and toss these wings in that Spicy Carne Sutra. I said we were getting hot and heavy. This is the time that you should probably choose your safe word. We're gonna leave these here and we're gonna get them ready for the grill. I'm gonna toss in my whiskey chunk. This guy is piping hot. We are right at about 500 degrees. We're gonna toss them on there. Listen to the sound when you put your meat down. We're gonna close the lid and we're gonna check on them about every 5 minutes. Oh, look at these guys. Yeah. We're gonna get a nice little char on them. Look at that. Nice and crispy. And we're gonna let them go roughly for about another 5 minutes. We're gonna give them another flip. We are getting hot and heavy today over this charcoal on these wings. It is hot. We got our atomic pineapple sauce over here heating up. We're just about to the temperature we want to start saucing up our wings. You don't want to ever apply your sauces cold, so what I do is you're going to heat up the sauce here, and we're about at the temperature that we want to start getting sauced. So we're going to take the atomic pineapple and we're going to get sauced on these chicken wings. The TD's Brew and Barbecue Atomic Pineapple. This guy's made with real crushed pineapple. Declare war on your next cook and be ready for the fight back. Now we got our sauce nice and hot. Let's check our temp and our wings here. That big guy's 165 right there in the middle. We're getting hot. We're gonna get up above 175. That's right where we want it. We're gonna go ahead and start saucing. So we're gonna go ahead and get sauced. So just brush these wings with the sauce. Don't be afraid. Sometimes it's nice to tie it on. Tie one on. Who likes to go out and get sauced? It's the best part. All right, now that we got them all sauced, we're gonna flip it so we can hit it from the back. This guy is hot, so this is gonna be super fast again. Real quick, hit it with the sauce. You want that sauce to set up real nice and get real sticky. Look at that atomic pineapple. You see the pineapples in there? Look at that. That's real crushed pineapple in that atomic pineapple. You only get at TD's Brew and Barbecue. All right, these guys are done. These wings are hot, sweet, gonna be sweet and spicy. Look at them just go. Look at the color from that atomic pineapple. Look at the char. Look at the char we got on those flats. Look at these drumettes. Look how beautiful that is. Make love to your meat. Those are banging.